Rounding decimals to whole numbers. As the numbers we use get longer, it becomes easier to make mistakes when doing arithmetic. Rounding is one way to make numbers simpler to work with. For example, if you were at the supermarket carrying 2 boxes of cereal, one box costs $4.33, and the other box costs $6.89. Then you can estimate the total price in whole numbers that you have to pay at checkout. So what you do is add whole numbers that are close to these numbers. So $4.33 is approximately $4, and $6.89 is almost 7. So let's say it is approximately $7, and the total is 4 plus 7 equals $11. The rounded numbers are not as accurate as the original ones, but they are still very close, and it made adding the numbers easier. But look at our 2 numbers again. There are many numbers like these. How do we deal with the decimals to find the closest whole number? When we drop the decimals, what we really did is we rounded to the nearest whole number. That means for each number, we choose the whole number that is closest to it. But how do we decide which whole number is closest? Well, we can say that the number in the whole number part is one possibility. 4 is close to 4 3/33, and 6 is close to 6 89/100. But notice that the original numbers also have a decimal part, and this part represents a fraction, or parts of a whole. The fraction will either represent few parts, such as these, so it won't be really close to reaching one whole, or it will represent many parts, like these, and be almost close to one whole, which means it will increase the whole number part by 1. This is basically what rounding to the nearest whole number does.